OBDPEAK T20 Screen sets a new standard for in-car technology, offering drivers unparalleled connectivity, safety, and convenience. With its support for Carplay and Android Auto wireless connections, dashcam functionality, and universal compatibility, it's the perfect companion for modern drivers looking to stay connected and informed while on the road. The OBDPEAK T20 screen boasts a universal screen design, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Its sleek and modern aesthetics blend seamlessly with any car interior, while its intuitive interface ensures easy navigation and operation for users of all skill levels. The OBDPEAK T20 screen features an integrated dashcam and a 2.5K rear camera, providing drivers with added peace of mind and security on the road. Whether it's capturing scenic drives or recording crucial moments in case of an accident, the dashcam functionality adds an extra layer of protection for drivers and their vehicles. One of the standout features of the OBDPEAK T20 screen is its support for wireless connections, making it incredibly easy to stay connected without the hassle of cables. Whether it's via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, drivers can effortlessly make calls, listen to music, send and receive messages, and use navigation, all while keeping their hands on the wheel and their eyes on the road. With support for Siri, voice commands further streamline the user experience, allowing for safe and hands-free operation. The OBDPEAK T20 screen goes beyond just basic connectivity. It supports various modes, including wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as AirPlay and Android Wireless Mirror. This versatility ensures compatibility with a wide range of smartphones and operating systems, giving users the freedom to choose the platform that best suits their needs.